Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on really quick to show you how I make all of my graphics. Okay, I had some team members to reach out, so I figured this would be a good teaching opportunity for you guys. This is how I make all of my marketing graphics, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, Facebook. I can go on and on. First thing you have to do is download the app Canva. All right, so I'm going to open this up. This is a free app. If this is your first time downloading the Canva app, you will have to set up a free account. So your email address and come up with the password, just like you would do anything else. Now you're going to see at the bottom of my screen, and it may look a little different depending on the device that you're using. I'm using an Android. You're going to see templates, designs, and account. Okay. I'm going to click on designs first because this is just all of my previous designs. So these may look very familiar to you because I have been marketing these on my social media channel. Okay. So these should look extremely familiar. So under designs is going to be your own previous templates so that you can always go back to it. Okay. On the bottom left, you see where it says templates. So I'm going to go back to this screen. You should see where it says all categories. I'm going to click that. And you see it brings up everything. Twitter, Facebook video, animated social media, posters, logos, presentations, the list go on and on. Where I typically go, especially for Facebook, is I scroll all the way down and you see again, there's a lot of different options. I go to where it says social graphic. And when I click on social graphic, it's asking me for specifics. Is it for Facebook? Is it a YouTube thumbnail? Is it for Pinterest? You guys, the reason why they're giving you these options is because different platforms require different dimensions for the video. And this app already has those dimensions recorded for the specific platform that you're using. Yes, you may create a graphic for a Facebook post and you may go to Instagram and something may be cut off. It may be too big. It may be too small. So that, you want to just kind of play around with it. I post way more on Facebook, so I use Facebook all the time. So I'm just going to click on where it says Facebook post. Then it's asking me if I want something more specific, like something about the virus or the newsroom or sale, because they have some templates already put together for me. Instead of picking one specifically, I'm just going to click on see all. And if you notice, all of these graphics just come up for me. Okay, so I'm just going to pick one. Okay, so there's a lot of different ones because I didn't specify if there was a specific topic that I was looking for. So I'll just go to the one that says, Happy Father's Day. Okay, and it's going to come up. Now, before it's editable, there's some other options underneath that say, okay, I know you clicked that, but do you think you may like one of these better for Father's Day, right? Just in case you change your mind. I'm going to keep it the one that I have. So I'm going to click edit. And it's going to pull it up. And every single thing that you see on this fly or on this banner can be changed. So if you look down here, it's a picture right there. So if I tap on that picture, I can literally put one of my own pictures in there, right? I can literally put whatever picture I want in this little bubble and it's going to, circle it for me. If I want to make it bigger, I just take that little dot and I'll drag it out. Okay, you see I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. If I don't like the fact that it cut off all my hair, I can tap the picture. And when I tap the picture, double tap it typically, hold on, I can move it up and down. Do you see that? Look, now I got some hair. Now, again, if I don't like it at all, if I want my hair and everything, I can move it up. You see that? My entire face is now in the picture. Well, what does that mean for this? Because it cut off Happy Father's Day. Well, there's a couple of different things I can do. I can make that smaller. Again, I'm just dragging the dots. Okay, you tap it, you drag the dots. I can completely move it to a different area if I wanted to. I can completely delete that if I wanted my own text, right? So everything again is clickable. You could change the color schemes. So up here where this blue dot is, I'm just going to go down here to color. And what if I make it royal blue, or what if I make it red, right? The entire background, I can literally change that if I wanted to. What if I want that part to be red, right? So I'm just going to go back because it's looking kind of crazy, right? You hit the back button, it's going to take you back to the original. In here, I want to say, royalty special, something like that. When I do that, I typed it in, I hit that little check. I can even change the font to whatever font I want. Now, the ones with the crown by it lets you know, hey, you got to actually purchase the app. But the ones that don't have a crown by it, you're free to use. So check it out. I can change the font to whatever I want. Down here where these little letters are. Oop, I spelled special wrong. Okay, down here where the little font is. Let me hit back. You can literally just tap that. You can keep it. You can delete it. It highlights all of it. If you hit the back button, it'll delete it. If you want to say, I'm just going to type some stuff. Join my team for $19.95. Limited time only. Right? I can put that in there. Now you see, again, those letters are kind of in the picture. I made a little bit too big. I can move that down, and now check it out. It's all in there. Up here where it says world's greatest dad. So just because it said Happy Father's Day doesn't mean it has to be about Father's Day. It's just a template. So up here, I can write, Angela Smith. I don't know. I'm just coming up with some stuff, guys. But everything can literally be changed. If you decide, I don't even like that bubble up there at the top. You tap it, and when you tap it, you can hit the delete icon at the very top. So literally, you can do this however you want. This is how I create all of my graphics. Let's say you want to add another picture on top of what we have here because you don't like that extra space at the bottom. You hit the plus sign at the bottom right of your screen. And it's giving you all different types of stuff that you can add. You can add more text. You can add an image. You can add a video, a sticker, an illustration. I'm just going to add another image on top. Again, it brought up my gallery. Now, if I don't want a picture from my gallery and I want something that's a little bit more, let's say, professional, in air quotes, where it says gallery, you see right next to it, it also says image. You can use some of the images that they have stored. Again, some of the images are free. These are called stock photos. Some of them are free. If they have a little crown by it, or if you see the Canva logo on top of it, that means that you will have to pay for it, okay? So I'm just going to delete that because I just wanted to show you I can literally do whatever I want. If you decide that you want to kind of make a circular image, just play around with it, guys. You can add not an illustration. You can add, is it a sticker? Nope. So you see, I'm just literally playing around with this. Maybe, yeah, it's an illustration, and I'm going to hit shape, and you can do like another circle. I can put my picture on top. Then up here at the top, there's 3 little dots. I can just play around with it and make it conform to that circle. So it's a lot of different things that you can do. I just wanted to show you this. This one, which is one that you see on my social media all the time. Literally, all I do, I found a template. So you're going to see a template that's half and half, just like this. I tapped on it. I change out the picture every day. This, where it says 6 ways to build credit fast. If I tap that, that was just an image that I took out of the automated marketing system. And I just literally slapped that on top, And then at the bottom, we have the Royalty Movement logo. We can send that to anybody who wants it. If you want, if you want the royalty logo on any of your flyers or banners, we truly don't mind. You can have it. You can use it. And I just slapped that on the bottom, and I loved how it looked. And this, all I do is every single day I go back in and I edit this. Okay. So I hope this made sense. You can even, if you don't like your own images, if you don't like the images that Canva already has in the stock photos, you can even go to Google, type in what you're looking for. If you want a big cat or a big dog in the back of your photo, you can do that. Okay, go to Google, find you a nice picture of a dog, and then where it says add image, you can add that dog into your background. Okay, so just play around with this. I wanted to come on and do a quick example. So I hope this made sense, you guys. Let's build.